Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah?
Yes, I. Brothers and sisters, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way to grow the platform. It would be lovely. Seeing, like the content as well. You know, friend, you like it. And I don't for press the like button. Right there, so the little thumbs up where you see on the thing, you know? Much appreciate love. See? So, we kind of see our dancehall artists, them reggae artists, them and things like that, take the bait, you know, see it, and the undervalue where them product I get and the industry I get as well. You know, see it without any lawful address or approach towards it, because you can see a whole heap of ignorance, and the ignorance is still being pushed. You know, see, that's why I man come to the conclusion say a stunt DJ Khaled and Sizzla stunt with the other day is a stunt them pull off, pan we. You know, see. Add to that, I see Lisa Hyper, who claims that she was one of the most anti Nikki Minaj not long ago, come back and bow back the other day. I was so deal with the Sizzla and the Khaled stunt. You know, see, come back and bow back and send up enough respect and all sort of thing to Lisa Hyper, to Nikki Minaj. Nikki Minaj herself now take up one of the most you know, skeng, take up skeng and remix a tune with him and some whole heap of girls and thing like that, and the tune probably make some waves. Undoubtedly would have, because, you know, anything if we bring it down and make it look small, categorized a certain way, it's obviously gonna be one of the biggest things on the net. Seen, so I under no delusion say the song there might sell a big money and put them places that they have never been before. Seen? Now, before all of this, them people, they usually depend on our brand for, you know, propel them to a higher level or another level in the space of entertainment and things like that. See, now we see the table turn, and rather than our artists them take a level of responsibility for the deterioration or for the music reach, them start suck up under these artists and, you know, some ass kissing thing for try get back a shine on the stage and all them type of thing there. No, enough of them talentless as well, you know. Don't feel no way. Enough of these people, particularly even the one them where Nikki Minaj collab with the other day, yeah, some talentless individual them, you know. Them mainly talk about some pornography type of lyrics, them chat and thing like that, where anybody can look under them or look upon themselves and you know, sing about them bed performance and them type of thing there. They make it look like so these things are new or something them a teach anybody. You know, see, we make them space irrelevant, them legacy, you know, no legacy no there, so you know them thing there, just catchphrase them, because when you look upon even the artists them have today, you know, I hear nothing about Intense again, too tough. See, one of them just mentioned Skeng, you know, I hear nothing about him too tough neither. You know, see, You think you have one named Briscoe or Bryco or something like that. Within months, them disappear off of the scene. Take years for work for them break there. And within months, them disappear off of the scene. Becomes rather irrelevant. You see it because of them lack of talent, lack of class, lack of standard. You know? A lot of people, when they hear a tune, them start vibes to it for real. But that's before them even know what the content, the music is. See? Now the content in the music is what make it last. The rhythm, the beat behind it, something where it grab the attention quicker. You see it? And then the catchphrase and the slang term and all them sort of thing there. But very soon people, human nature not drawn to destruction and them sort of thing there. Human nature drawn to development. And one of the things that make them blindly listen to reggae music or dancehall music is because the expected nature, of upliftment, of self-esteem building, and all them sort of thing there. No, you don't know. A couple of days now, I'm not doing a video still because I find myself in some studying for higher learning, We will explain that later on because we just love to get everything clear and straight, on track before we even talk about certain things, seen? But the intention is to move to higher learning still. I will explain that in a bit. So it kind of keep I occupied a certain way where literally my brain engaged that much that is like I can't have to focus on anything else. I try, indulge myself in the things where I learn and things like that. See? So our artists them now, them basically are bow out. They must see themselves like with the ability to remain relevant without certain input or certain people anymore. You see it. As within months, them drop off of the scene, nobody don't know them, nobody don't see them, and them look at thing there. Again, one we are going to themselves, what they done so and when he Valiant. See, now one if him know the meaning of the word, where them put up on the name and all them sort of thing there. Sometimes them think they cross all destruction, crosses and all them something upon a guy. You see it? But people expect a certain level, a wavelength, and a certain energy if you come out of Jamaican music and things like that. And it's not there anymore, unfortunately so. Sadly. So it's not there anymore. You see, you got to the point where the other day I was a Sizzla, big Sizzla, 20-year-old, 2 decades, or probably over 2 decades, what experience in the music, create a wave over some disagreement between him and DJ Khaled. Now, it took me a while, it took me many days before me make a video about that because at the end of the day, I still like, I couldn't get the energy, it never grabbed me. I couldn't really see what go on. It was interesting, an interesting development, but I couldn't see what go on. You see, after the thing pan out and me hear them give some little stupid reasons why all of that happened, I come to recognize it's a stunt. It's all a stunt. Because it's the thing them where them claim say, to what DJ Khaled mean to them, not to me, nor to reggae music, nor dancehall, to them. See? Because them feel say, it's like, this thing are amongst even Rastaman too, them feel like say from a man's skin lighter than female and skin tone lighter and all them sort of thing there, you mean straight and thing. It's an opportunity. I see it go on in Africa. See, you have enough vlogger with turn millionaire just by taking a trip to Africa and walk around, video the people them and things like that. And when you watch them video, you see the reception where the people them give them is like a Jesus Christ come again. You see, and that little thing still amongst enough of we were going like we conscious and we black this and we that and you know what I say? Yeah. You don't see it. Because at the end of the day, like I say, Khaled no mean nothing to me or reggae music or dancehall. It means something to them down there because them see a purse. You know, see, them say somebody come with them, this chopping mentality, this time of food mentality, just spread out right across the board. You know, see, anybody will chop you or nyam a food after him just see as a food. You know, see, because them bridging, you know, see this guy as a savior to something where, you know, me I say everlasting, can't dead. You know, see, yeah. So to what it mean to them, for them, really, if him say rap them a one tune, see, the publicity still when push for them way with the robbings, cause him rob that for himself, so he must sell and try to get as much out of it as possible, you know, catch my drift. You know, see, so I still for them vice, I still for them, it still a benefit them on a level. You know, see, because of that, them I look for them, I say, these guys, I can push them further than how them can push themselves, or how the already established craft can push them. You know, see, and them things them I look on. You know, see. So, you that still see a level of benefit where a guy you that consider and I try to look on it like, so well, then I could deal with this as diplomatic as possible. See? And see how best we can make this benefit everybody, make everybody get them benefits still. Because something with me and you know, the artists them will do them tune 50, 60 from the inception of dancehall and reggae music. Did I get robbed by our own Jamaican them, Scotch Perry and Bob Marley, them fall out through that. And a whole heap of other producers and distributors steal the craft back in them days there and take a whole heap of money for themselves. And even in a recent time, more than anything else, we see what name here? What do you tell your name, man? So remember his name, come from Mandeville, him dep on YouTube and them thing there now, do a whole heap of vlogging and influencing and thing like that. You see, we see him carry another producer, quote, cargo, and win some serious money for him, you know what I say? And that before now, I mean a couple of years ago as a matter of fact, cargo carry, I can't remember what the producer name. No one call the name, a couple of them in a mind frame, but we don't want to call the name. Okay, one of them got quote and win. You know, see it, and get control of him things, and them look away there. Now, regardless of what kind of mistake Khaled want to claim say make, you know, Sizzla have that that avenue where him could have always use and get what's due to him and all of them who is involved. Regardless of the fact them I say them call Khaled and Khaled now answer them call and them sort of thing there. You know, it's a joke reasoning. You know, see, and we know them are opportunists because it's obvious. It's more than obvious now. We know obvious to is blind or dumb. You know, see. So we know them consider the opportunity them where them would lose to violate the money bag. You see, and them now, you know, we know the yeah. See? So we have to look on it like say all of this is like a big stunt from poor people, probably for sell more music and for maintain that greed, that attention greed, where them crave so much. Because the talent where we maintain that attention is like it not to exist no more. Or something going on with the talent somewhere along the line. You see it, and that's obvious. And a rumor I spread, and not everybody here to tune them. So, you know, we see it happen over and over all the while where these people here do some things, create some like a stunt in order to get the attention where they need. And all them sort of thing, they trick poor people. Another level of scamming again, but what can we do and what can we say? You see it? I just saw we have to look upon it. We have to just observe the reality as it presents itself to we. You see, all the while them thing, them thing all the while and you know, benefit. Seeing, cause I be a 5-day craft them a day, you know, some 7-day song and them thing there. The last 7 days and all them sort of thing there. Because them themselves devalue the quality of the music, you know, downgrade the quality of the music where the things them where they must talk out of their mouth, you know, is far way below par from what them used to. You know, see it? So, and I can't really see it no other way. When you observe, like me I say, the benefit, is it worth it then? Even if you put yourself in even if you say, well then, yeah, Khaled, do the things then where them a claim say him do. Spell some name wrong, and certain people not get credit, and them sort of thing there. All of these things could have ash out long before it got caught. You know, see, because if you talk to a man about it and a man not do nothing about it, you know, the next thing we are going to happen is courthouse, and a man have to go find a liar, pan top of paying you back for the things that where him know say him rob you. Him know him rob. All of these things are true. So, you know when me look upon it, me I say, you know, can't be anything more than another scam from poor people. And you have to wonder when them people are going to develop some level of principle, some self-respect, whereby certain things them consider certain things beneath them, or see themselves above doing certain things in order to just eat a food. Because that's what it's all about these days, you know. Nyam food mentality. You know, see, right now nobody not have no disagreement with anything or any nature of anybody anymore, as long as they can propel them career to another level. You know, see, no, and that's why the thing about it is, it's the standard, you know, where people that people did respect about us. Certain standard where we could afford and maintain, while they themselves can't. You know, see, it was like the only quality, little quality where we did have above certain people, above all else. You know, see, but them man just regularize the thing, normalize, naturalize the thing. Like them realize, say, it's a battle that go on between good and evil. You know, see, we can't put it a better way. You know, see, yeah, it's just another stunt them pull upon poor people, and them all them all prove it otherwise. You know, see, because we can't see the reason. We still, you know, we did a check say a man burn out a cause. A man realize some people are evil. Some people don't have poor people's interests at heart. Some people don't have righteousness at heart. Some people are hustling a scam. We did a check say this was the reason, and a man disassociate himself from these sort of relations. You know, see, but obviously isn't the case. The case is where a guy claims say he must fight for more of the evil money, more of the corrupt money. You know, see, he should get more. Yes, so you don't know. We just heal up the item with that one here, you know, and I go and keep in touch same way, because we have some serious thing here going. Right now, I look on some book here where tick so. Then me fair read through star. So we give thanks. We soon share the energy with the item still. You know, see, just look forward to that one day, because again, we have to stick to, we have to be an example of the principle them we are trying to instill, you know. Like we say, Never late for a shower or rain. Anyway, water walk one time, it will walk there again. If you listen it this far, give thanks. And give a like if you haven't so far. Rastafari.